In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import contacts into HubSpot, highlighting some key updates for 2025. Importing contacts is a crucial task for maintaining an up-to-date database, helping you to efficiently manage your interactions and relationships with your clients. Let's dive in step by step. First, you want to begin by navigating to the trial guide specifically designed to give you insights and instructions within the HubSpot environment. To commence this process, ensure you've logged into your HubSpot account, directing your attention to the trial guide interface. Next, you'll want to locate and click on the CRM option. The CRM is your foundational tool in HubSpot, housing all your customer data. By accessing the CRM, you're taking a significant step towards efficiently managing your relationships and tailoring your communications. Once inside the CRM section, your focus should switch to finding the Contacts tab. Clicking on Contacts will lead you to a comprehensive list of individuals and organizations you've stored within your HubSpot portal. This is your central hub for all contact data management activities. With your contacts list in view, your next click should be on the Import button. Importing is crucial when you're looking to add a large number of contacts efficiently without having to enter each one manually. This functionality is particularly useful for expanding your network or updating existing records swiftly. As you prepare to import, you'll be faced with a choice. If you're starting with a prepared file, the logical route is to click on Import a File. Whether you're importing a CSV or Excel file, this step ensures the data is correctly formatted for integration into HubSpot, making sure that all fields align perfectly with your portal's criteria. Alternatively, if you manage your contacts through various applications, you might prefer to click on Sync from Apps. This feature provides a seamless way to keep your contact information consistent across all platforms. It's especially helpful if your contacts are constantly updated in other applications, ensuring that HubSpot always reflects the most current information. Finally, the option to click on Migrate Your Data presents itself. This is ideal if you're transitioning from another CRM to HubSpot, allowing you to bring in data once housed elsewhere. Migrating your data can seem daunting, but the built-in guidance ensures that your existing relationships and contact history are preserved without disruption. By following these steps, you'll successfully import and manage your contacts, keeping your HubSpot CRM organized and up to date. Taking advantage of these features not only helps in maintaining a well-organized database, but also streamlines your marketing and sales efforts. Good luck with importing, and may your contact management be as seamless as ever.